Good day everyone. So today we're going to be starting our series on number patterns. So this is the basic formula for number patterns. So we would like to find out, given like a specific series, let's say for example we have a number pattern that is 4, 8, 12, right? So these are the patterns, and then let's say for example we wanna know like what are all the numbers in this particular number pattern, right? So firstly, this is term 1, this is term 2, and this is term 3, right? So to find out what the general equation of this number pattern is what we do is we first find our D value, right? And our D value is the second term 2 minus term 1, right? So 8 minus 4 is equal to D, right? So D is equal to 4, right? So each one has a difference of 4, right? So then next we need to find out our C value, and our C value is equal to the first term T1 minus the constant difference, right? Which is D, and that is 4 minus 4, which is equal to, so C is equal to 0. So now we can plug in now our values for the general term. So the general term for this equation is Tn is equal to 4n, we said D is 4n plus C, right? So what we can now find out is for all the terms, let's say for example if we want to find out what term 100 is, right, then we just plug it into this equation. So let me just draw a line over here. So Tn is equal to 4 times 100, and C is 0, right, plus 0, right? So Tn for 400 is equal to 400. Tn 100 is equal to 400. So the 100th term is going to be equal to 400, right? Okay. Let's find out what term value, right? So these are term values, right? So this is Tn, right? So let's say for example if we have a term value of 44, right? What term is it? Is it right? And we can check that as well. So let's make our term value 44, right? Is going to be equal to 4n, right? So now we can, n is our term, right? So we can find out what our term is, right? Plus 0. Okay. So we can make, we can divide both sides by 4. And we can see that n is equal to 12, eh? So our 12th term, right, is equal to 44, right? So for a term value of 44, that's going to give us our 12th term, right? So to recap number patterns, this is the standard equation for number patterns. To find your D value, your constant difference, you need to minus your second term from your first term, and to find the constant you need to minus the first term from the constant difference, and then you'll have your general equation. Then you can find which term you can find your particular term, what the term value is for that particular term, or you can find out what given a term value what term that is going to be. Okay, thank you, bye.